Hey, Scuppered here. Okay, I have myself some bicycle lights. A pair of them. Supposedly the batteries got failed and corroded inside, and let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that. I see a lot of green going on in there. Ooh. What do you guys think? I feel like it's looking kind of rough. Okay, let's open it up. I think the first thing we need to do is find out how to take that back plastic piece off. It looks like it kind of pressure fits in 4 points. Perfect. Let's just try and use my nail. Maybe the least offensive. So I got it to pop off on the two sides. Okay. Looks like kind of cracked. Looking kind of crispy. But I think I got it. There we go. So looking at the face. Focus. Let's see if I can lock it there. Okay. So on the front of that PCB, we got a lot of corrosion. Ugh. Everything's bubbled up. Look at that. I don't even know how it climbed the battery terminals. It's looking rough. So it looks like the 3 battery posts. Oh, there's a little IC in there to drive it too. Oh, it's probably got different modes when you click it. Oh man, even look at the LEDs. They're corroded too. Well, I'm gonna put this on pause, get a bench set up, and see if we can salvage it. But comment, tell me what you think, and we'll come back to video number 2.